Okay, so a break and a good one for everybody. The court reporter, I'm sure, is shaking out those digits. This has been fascinating, and I'm trying not to go down the rabbit hole of this weird, bizarro dynamic between a defendant representing himself and the victim he's accused of victimizing. So let's try to look at some of the legal issues here. Marie Pereira is still here. She's a former prosecutor, criminal defense attorney. And joining us is Paul Townsend, criminal defense attorney. Welcome, Paul. Let me ask you this. I'm trying to sort through some of this bizarre, meandering cross-exam. It has been somewhat chronological in that we started at the home where she was allegedly kidnapped, and then we're now on the road for this lovely, if you believe him, some sort of crazy romantic weekend. And he does hit a few points on the legal issues. Attempted murder is a very specific, in fact, a specific intent crime. He got her to admit that when he was putting a pillow over her face and she passed out, that she inferred it was his intent to kill her, but she really didn't know. It wasn't, he didn't express that intent. Is he getting anything out of his cross-exam, at least on that front?
On that front, it's difficult to say. I think you have to look at his cross-examination kind of in totality. Is he conveying what he wants to convey to the jury? And additionally, how is the jury perceiving what he is doing? Based on the way that he is conducting this and the way that she has responded to most of his questions, I don't think he's being particularly effective in his cross-examination. It may be that legally, when the jury is being asked to consider attempted murder, the judge is obviously going to give them specific charges, what the elements of the crime are, and whether or not they find that that Mr. Summers, committed every single one of the elements of that crime. But I think with regards to her particular feelings about what he was intending to do, I think the jury is going to be making up their own mind on that front. And I think taken in totality, the way that he has been going about this is not going to endear him to them at all.
Sometimes as an attorney, you're worried that the jury won't like your client. Now he's client/attorney on full display, not so likable.